Most people treat their backyard grill like a forgotten piece of luggage sitting out in the rain. You spend a fortune on a high-end smoker or a stainless steel grill. Then you stand there under a shaky umbrella trying to flip burgers while the wind steals your spatula. That is exactly where a permanent shelter, like this premium barbecue gazebo, enters the picture. It changes the whole dynamic of your backyard. It turns a random patch of grass into a legit outdoor kitchen. When you first see this thing set up, the sheer scale of it hits you. This is not one of those tiny pop-up tents. Those things make you feel like you are cooking inside a cramped closet. This structure is wide. It is open. You actually have room to move around. You can flip burgers without bumping into your prep table or knocking over a tray of ribs. I love the fact that it is built with enough clearance to handle a full-size grill and a smoker at the same time. You could even tuck a couple of chairs in there. You can stay out of the sun while the brisket does its thing. Now, let's get into the bones of the structure. Looks are one thing, but stability is the real deal breaker. People have a lot of opinions on the frame. Some folks find it incredibly sturdy and reinforced. Others might feel a bit nervous if they live in a wind tunnel. The reality is that this gazebo is a serious piece of equipment. However, it is not an invincible fortress against crazy weather. If you live somewhere with heavy storms or high winds, you have to be smart. You cannot just plop this down and hope for the best. You need to anchor it properly. Secure it to your deck. Use heavy-duty weights on the legs. If you take that extra step, it feels like a rock. Without it, you are basically playing a high-stakes game of sail away with your new investment. The value here really depends on your lifestyle. Think about how often you actually fire up the coals. If you are a weekend warrior who hosts every cookout, this is a total game changer. It creates a dedicated zone. It defines the space. It makes the whole experience feel professional and intentional rather than just winging it with a flimsy sunshade. We have all been there. We have all struggled with a canopy that collapses the second a breeze picks up. This gazebo solves that headache. It provides a stable, shaded environment that makes summer cooking actually enjoyable instead of a chore. It handles the heat from the grill well. It keeps the rain off your neck. When you compare it to the alternatives, the balance of space and build quality really stands out. It is an investment in your lifestyle. It turns a simple meal into an event. You get that solid atmosphere that invites people to hang out and talk while the food is cooking. It is about creating a spot where you actually want to spend time. If you want a dedicated grill zone that survives more than one season, this is a strong contender for your backyard. Just remember to treat it like a real structure. Anchor it down. Maintain the frame. It will serve you well through many summers of perfectly seared steaks and smoky ribs. It is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you waited so long to stop cooking in the open elements. You deserve a space that works as hard as you do at the grill. It is not just about the shelter. It is about the memories you make under it with friends and family. This is how you take your backyard from basic to a destination. Stop letting the weather dictate when you can cook. Life is too short to grill in the rain or bake in the sun when you could have a proper setup waiting for you every single evening.